Hey everyone! If your child's phone is locked by a time limit or you're ready to stop supervision, you don't need to factory reset. Today, I'm showing you the official ways to unlock a Family Link device. Whether you have a parent phone in your hand or just need a quick access code, let's get that device back open. Step 1. Remote unlock from parent device. The easiest way is using the Family Link app on your phone. Open the Family Link app and select your child's profile. On the main dashboard, look for the lock or unlock button under the device status. Tap unlock and child device will instantly light up and become usable. This is perfect for giving a quick bonus window of time. Step 2. Use a parent access code. If you don't have an internet connection or the child's device is offline, you can use an access code. On your parent device, open Family Link. Tap the three-line menu and select Parent Access Code. On the child's lock screen, they should see an option for parent access. Type that 6-digit code into their phone. It changes every few minutes for security, so use it right away. Step 3. Stop supervision completely. If your child is now 13 or older, you're ready to remove the restriction permanently. In the Family Link app, go to Controls, Account Settings, and About Supervision. Scroll to the bottom and check the box that says I understand and tap Stop Supervision. Warning: if you do this while the child is under the required age, their device will be locked for 24 hours as a security measure unless you use your parent password to sign back in. Step 4. Unblocking a forgotten lock screen PIN. If you forgot the child's lock screen PIN, you cannot bypass it with the app. You will need to log into the Google Find My Device website from a computer. Select the child's phone and choose Secure Device. This allows you to set a new temporary password that will override the old one, allowing you back into the phone. Just remember, these tools are there to help build healthy habits, not just for locking things down. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.